care if this camera breaks. You roll it out. Rolling though. What's the worst that happens? I mean, I need to get enough speed. So they said second gear. Okay, second gear. We're going reverse. Got like no brakes. Oh no, we didn't get enough speed.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Oh, me.
Don't you want to get Dad?
Is he here?
Yeah. Wait, let's get Dad. There's no reason to do it like this. It's not gonna work. Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Watch it start now.
You got it?
Yeah. Now we Google. That just comes off. Jeez, that goes deep in there. Okay. Okay, that's not gripping anything anymore. See, I'm always trying to avoid it. And like, you just gotta do it. If this thing just slides off. Are you kidding me? That is super simple. I don't know how that looks. But if I just have to plug that back in. Let's see what my dad says. I mean, it looks fine to me. He says it looks good too. This isn't the original starter though. The original one had a bolt that you can bolt the clutch line to. Flywheel looks, I mean on those, can I rotate the flywheel?
You got it.
Looks,
the ring, does it look tore up?
Can you rotate the flywheel?
Here, let me see, move the flashlight back.
There's teeth.
Yeah, it don't look tore up. Usually if
Just
it's
the
tore,
starter?
it's probably the starter. It's probably weak. If you get one from O'Reilly, spend the money and get the lifetime one just in case it craps out.
Okay.
You can just keep taking it back.
So the heart is out. Very, 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 very easy. Not scary at all. If I gotta go take it to O'Reilly's. Bam! Where is it? Oh, it already is. Nice. Both are hand tight.
Oh, you so lucky. Look how easy your starter is to get to.
Clamped onto there. See this on the OEM?
Yeah, it has a
screw
screw
down.
for that, huh? It should go in it. Oh, why is this? This should clip into that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing should clip.
Take that off. It don't break nothing.
Not. It should. This thing should turn and go. It should go into that. I don't know why it don't.
And then plug it in.
Yeah. That should go like that, and then this. Why is this so short though? Maybe that's why he didn't do it. There it goes. That's still not the way it came from Japan, but oh well. You plugged the starter wire. You plugged the starter wire in.
Yeah.
You got lucky. The car's so high up. Oh, you got lucky. You gotta tighten this guy. I saw it was 4 to 5.
Oh no! No. It's spinning over. It tried to start. It's the same problem though. Don't it take it a while for this thing to crank? Not like that. Try it. You got gas in the car? Yeah. I wonder if your igniter went bad. That happened on Grandpa's car. Where's that at? Underneath here. This little transistor thing. That's what's common that goes out on these cars. It left your mom stranded and she got pissed. There's a huge gap. That is a massive gap. Okay, just go ahead and flip it over. Let me see if you got spark going to this. I don't even know what cylinder this is. Go ahead. Yeah, okay, stop. You're getting spark. Okay, so there's only two things that stop it. There's only a couple of things that will stop a car from starting. No spark, which I just saw you had spark. Okay. No fuel or no air. So you're not getting fuel. How much gas is in there now?
A little under like a quarter tank.
Here's your fuel rail. Here's the fuel filter. Pump it a little bit so you can get to start. I think that's gas, man. I don't think you're getting fuel. I've been emptier though. I get 300 miles. I'm at 255 right now. I saw a good healthy spark jump across though, so.
Yeah, I think there's something else.
I loosened that fuel thing and there was gas coming past the filter. The minute you cranked it, it was coming out, so. I'm afraid we're gonna have a sling blade incident here. It ain't got no gas.
Something simple.
Yeah.
That's usually how it goes.
I'm telling you.
What's Sling Blade?
It's a movie about this guy that's kind of retarded with Billy Bob Thornton. It's a pretty good movie, but he was a small engine repair. And the guy's like, I can't get my lawnmower to start. See if you can do with it. And he looked at the guy, he pulled it a couple times. He looked at the gas tank. It ain't got no gas.
It ain't got no gas in it.
It ain't got no gas. That's the clutch. I need clutch food. Oh, it almost went. It's trying. Yeah, it's trying to run. Oh, did you give it any gas? When it does, they try to give it a little bit of gas. Really? Yeah. Sounds bad. It's not. It's like you ain't got no gas, man, I swear. Maybe your fuel pressure is just low. Maybe we should just quit being chicken and see how much fuel is coming out of this filter, see what your flow rate is. I mean, I have no idea. I've had less fuel and it started up fine. But how do we know your pump isn't going out? The question I'm asking is how much should we be seeing right here when you turn that, because as soon as you turned it, it was leaking. Here, turn the key for me. This thing gonna blow up. No, it's not. Just turn it, and be ready to stop it when I tell you to stop it. Just turn it to the idiot lights come on. Oh, stop! You got plenty. I saw that. There's plenty of fuel coming out of there. Wow. Yeah, it's nothing wrong with your fuel pump. There's some pressure coming out of there. It's the heart. How? I don't know. Bad compression? That's the only thing I can think. You could rent a compression test gauge from O'Reilly. Oh, that'll evaporate. I ain't worried about that. It's gonna smell like gas, but that will evaporate. Project time. Compression test. They said to jump the terminal to see what flashes on the. Yeah, I told you. That's what you got to do. They said it's on the passenger. It's a gray clip or something. I had to do your grandpa's car. His check engine light came on. Did it? The last time you drove it, did it feel like it didn't have power? No, I've been running AC. I've been fine. It's just when I first started, I crank it a couple times sometimes. The key in here? Yeah. I don't know how much battery life you got left.
Oh, you got the clutch in on this car?
Let it idle. Let it idle.
Sounds good. Is there any bad smoke coming out the back? You see there be some gas? You see it set closed? As soon as it started going, I just pumped the throttle.
I don't hear no internal rod
It
damage.
sounded rattly when you were hitting it.
Sounds good to me now.
Sounds fine to me.
Sound like you got a loose heat shield here.
That's fun. You just have to touch it.
I think you're a little bit babying it on the gas. I was trying to get it started.
I don't know what sound is like. I don't want to blow nothing up.
Internally, it sounds fine. See if it has normal power like you used to.
I'll see what it does if I turn it off and then turn it back on though.
Well, it's probably cranked now that the engine's warmed up. Your temperature gauge works, right?
Yeah. I'll hop in.
No, because if you get broke down, we both gonna get stuck.
Got AAA.
Power feel okay?
Yeah, that sounds better. Sounds better than it did before. That's normal. Plus ain't got no gas in it. Okay. Car is off. Here we go. Please. Oh, it's so easy. That was so easy. It started, that's the fastest I've heard it start up ever. I think that's the new starter at play, obviously.
So, we have no idea what was wrong, but the car's running again. Sounds good to me.
It's totally fine. Started up so fast.
Did you put gas in it?
Mm-hmm.
You still should probably change the plugs.
Yeah, I'm changing it because it's been having trouble starting this whole time. So,
Sounds good.
I don't know. Did you take the quick jacks to the back already?
No, I just put them off to the side. Why, you
Oh, I'm on
lifted
the wrong
it?
side.
You lifted it again?
No. We'll see how it does tomorrow.